Snapshots and cloning, backing up your virtual machines. Virtual machines, VMs, provide a flexible and efficient way to run multiple operating systems on a single machine, making them essential for software testing, development, and IT infrastructure. However, just like physical machines, VMs are vulnerable to data loss, corruption, and configuration errors. This is where snapshots and cloning come into play. These features help users preserve, backup, and duplicate VMs, ensuring that critical systems remain operational and recoverable. Understanding snapshots in virtual machines. A snapshot is a point-in-time backup of a virtual machine's disk, memory, and system state. It allows users to restore the VM to an earlier condition if something goes wrong. Think of snapshots as a save state in a video game. If an issue arises, you can roll back to a previous point without reinstalling the OS or software. How snapshots work. When you create a snapshot, the hypervisor freezes the current state of the virtual machine and saves changes in a separate file. The original virtual disk remains unchanged, while any new data is stored in a differencing disk. This method ensures that the snapshot does not consume additional storage unless changes are made after the snapshot is taken. Benefits of using snapshots. 1. Instant rollback. If an update or system change causes issues, you can revert the VM to its previous state within seconds. 2. Efficient testing. Developers and IT admins can test software updates, patches, or system changes without permanently affecting the VM. 3. Temporary backups. Snapshots serve as a quick and easy way to preserve system states before making major changes. 4. Minimal storage use. Since snapshots only store changes, they do not immediately consume large amounts of disk space. Understanding cloning in virtual machines. While snapshots capture a moment in time, cloning creates a full, independent copy of a virtual machine. A clone is a separate VM that does not rely on the original system, making it a true backup or duplicate. Types of clones. 1. Full clone, a full copy of the original VM, including its virtual disk, operating system, settings, and data. 2. Linked clone, a partial copy of the VM that still relies on the original VM's virtual disk, saving space but requiring the original VM to remain intact. When to use cloning versus snapshots. Use snapshots when you need a quick recovery point before making changes. Use cloning when you need a fully independent copy of a VM for backup, testing, or deployment. How to clone a VM in VirtualBox in VMware. In VirtualBox, 1. Open VirtualBox and select the VM to be cloned. 2. Click on Machine Clone. 3. Choose Full Clone or Linked Clone. 4. Select the disk format and click Clone. In VMware Workstation, 1. Open VMware Workstation and select the VM. 2. Click VM Manage Clone. 3. Select Full Clone or Linked Clone. 4. Click Finish to create the clone. Best practices for VM backups using snapshots and cloning. 1. Use snapshots for short-term backups only, and delete outdated snapshots to free up storage. 2. Do not rely solely on snapshots for backup purposes. 3. Regularly backup virtual disks by manually copying VM files. 4. Label snapshots and clones properly for easy tracking. 5. Store clones on separate storage devices to prevent data loss. Final thoughts. Why snapshots and cloning are essential. Both snapshots and cloning are critical tools for managing virtual machines effectively. Snapshots provide a quick restore point, making them perfect for testing and temporary backups. Cloning, on the other hand, offers a complete backup solution, allowing you to duplicate VMs for different environments. Understanding how to use snapshots and cloning correctly will save time, protect your data, and improve your virtualization workflow.